Hello guys. So today I'm gonna shoot a video for Akshita, a coffee shoot.
Here's the cold press.
We made.
Cold press yesterday.
Now we're gonna shoot it. Stay tuned. And if you like the video, subscribe, like, and comment.
Welcome to the second episode of Soul Brew. Hi guys, it's been 24 hours. Shut the door. The thing is, my dog is very sensitive and he's sleeping. If he hears me talking, he's gonna start talking. That means barking. But coming back to cold brew, it's been 24 hours and our cold brew is almost done. The only thing remaining is us making a drink. So let's go. Here's the magic. I'm so excited for this. I'm just gonna press it down. Ugh, it was not very satisfying because it was already sedimented since it's porous in nature. Now we're going to transfer it into a different bowl altogether. You can take a muslin cloth or a chunni, but if you're not using like a filter machine, you have to take both of them. Since muslin cloth mein the problem is the chorus will start collecting right over here. It's going to be very difficult for you. So it's better to use a chunni and also line it with a muslin cloth. Now comes the transfer process. Not even a single drop should be missed. I'm just gonna open the filter machine for you to see how it happens. Already it's sedimented. Not a lot of job for you to do. Gandu, what is this? They are just slippery. He wants to throw the muslin cloth downstairs. I don't think so it's gonna happen, bro. I don't. Oh, nice. Every day I'm going to be making like one different type of coffee. Today we are making cold brew iced with tonic water, which is one of my favorites. And I'm not going to make it. Arjun is.
So how much cold brew we have to pour? Half of this.
This is already measured.
That's it. First we'll add the cold brew.
No, not the cold brew.
First tonic.
First ice.
Yeah, we are done with ice. It's time for cold brew. No, it's time for cold brew, then tonic water.
No, tonic water then cold brew. तो ऐसे effect देता हूँ बढ़िया.
So we have the Jimmy's tonic water. Now it's time for cold brew. Fuck. Damn son, now let's mix.
Crazy, yeah, crazy. The coffee is roasted dark. Really? Really? Let me try. My brother just made this coffee, so let's give it a try.
Perfect.
It's so perfect, like the measurements, even though little more cold brew. Because you spilled some.
But
light is better because this is dark roast and I just love it. Tomorrow is gonna be a better day because a new cold brew recipe is coming your way. This is after a few days, and let me just tell you, all the recipes that I came up with are just phenomenal. The tonic water that you had, mid. Okay. It's for the maybes. If you don't like the person, serve him cold brew with tonic water. But if you genuinely love them, this, darling, this is just the start. This is what you serve when you love a person deeply. Oh, this is kokum flavored kombucha with dark roast cold brew, and it is phenomenal. And if you don't now believe me, I do have somebody who does not, like, we are not blood related, so she can give you her unbiased opinion. Tulsi, get in here. Be honest, na?
It was so good, I spilled it. No, it is actually very good. You should try that.
You will not believe the cold brew is such a hit in Pagal household that I had to make it the third time. These are the first two batches that I made, and now this one is the third one. This is one of the most satisfying things. You have to watch it with love because I'm gonna press everything down. Come here. Ugh, genuinely nice. The first cold brew that we are making is the coconut cold brew, and it's my favorite. The recipe is hella easy. If you have fresh coconut. That is very much appreciated, but I'm a lazy ass. Blinkit is too expensive for me to afford, to be honest. Okay, see, you guys are not watching. I'm not getting monetized at all. Yeah, guys, what are you doing, man? What is this behavior, macha? That's why I'm using a sachet. This is actually a friend of mine gave me this, and he's a coffee fanatic, and he said that this in coffee just tastes amazing, and genuinely I've tasted it. Tastes like pure coconut water. Let's make it.
What a life.
Do I look hot while I'm mixing, or don't I? Will I be the hottest barista out here? No. Mean. Wait, do you want to taste the coconut water? Bro, this is pure as coconut. Yeah, it does taste like coconut water, that's it. Okay, now comes the easiest part, that is putting ice. Because outfit ice ho na ho, glass mein ice kam nahi honi chahiye. I need me some ice. Swarovski, please sponsor. Now we are going to be adding a little bit of tonic water just for the taste, just for the funsies, because why not? Let's give it a taste test. Oh my god. It's super solid, yeah? Oh, this is so good. You can taste the coconut right over here. And then you can taste the coffee right over here. Oh. Fuck, this is so good. I still have 3 more coffees to drink. Let me not drink the entire thing. Wait. Last sip. You don't like it?
Banger. 8 on 10. 8 on 10. Yeah.
I'm like, she does not like it, bro. She does not like it. And it's okay. The next one you go.
No, I like it.
No, be honest.
I like it, bro.
Be like
I'll
honest
tell
to
you.
her.
I don't like mithai, so I'll tell you.
We made a mithai coffee today, and she does not like sweet coffees. This is also sweet. So,
Guys, I like coconut. I like coconut.
okay. So, she does not like this one as much, but I'm pretty sure the next one's going to be even more banger for you. The next cold brew that we are making is the cranberry cold brew, which is my favorite. But everything is my favorite. To chalta hai. If you want to impress your girl within 2 seconds, this is the coffee that you serve. Because she'll be in love. Extra chilled cranberry juice. You can stop right over here, but I'm just going to add a splash of tonic water for the crispness. Like, I love how it almost feels like sparkling water. Splash. I have no words. Listen, I just nail it every single time. This is so good. You can taste the tonic also, even though it's a splash. You know what it's good for? Navratri nights. This on Navratri, banger, baby.
I honestly don't like sweet, but this, bro, you gotta try this with Akshita. Drinking a cocktail, but I'm getting that needs fulfilled for my cafe. Like, bro, this is so good.
Yes! This is also one of my favorite coffees. Obviously, it's the cold foam with caramel. You can also do it vanilla because the recipe is almost similar, and we here are very inclusive for everybody. Literally. I don't have whipping cream, so I'm gonna go for fresh cream, but this literally works almost the same. So if you're from India, fresh cream by Amul, it's one of my favorites, and I've seen a lot of cafes also use it, so safe to use. Kept it in the freezer. I kept it in the freezer, so obviously we did not get spoonful, but questionable something too full. Made zero sense, brother, but I hope you get the concept. Too much. I genuinely do like a lot sweet. So my caramel is way more than what is expected. Setting 1, setting 2, setting 3. Now that's what I like. See, within 3 settings we are done. So good. It's so good.
I love it. Like, oh my god, like, let me rate that. Raspberry, number one. This, number two. Now, I don't know about the if the first can change, but like raspberry was super hit. And this, if I'm gonna have coffee with milk, I am gonna do this. Yes. And the salt is making it so nice. It's giving like that aftertaste, you know? Yeah, genuinely, it's so genuinely, it's very nice.
Okay, the first thing when it comes to the orange mocha cold brew, very mouthful, huh? But this is like, I would make it for just myself because it's a very savory coffee, in my opinion. Like it's like a warm hug in the fall season. Get a plumpy orange juice. घर पे निकालो या बाहर से लेके आओ. The one I really wanted was, I don't remember the name, but the plumpy one which has the strands of orange in it, that I would highly recommend. But since I did not have any other option, we are going with the real one, which is also nice. It's very mild, but you get the point. This might look very unpleasant. Listen, I put very less ice in this, so I was going for something which is more AI looking. But even though it's not, let's go for it. A banger, and it also has a very underlying sweetness of orange with mocha and a little bit of hit from the cold brew. You gotta give it a try, Tulsi. This is my favorite. Has to be my favorite. And sorry if I look very dull. I am in a food coma still. But this genuinely is really good. For a whimsy, just because I said so, make it. But you'll love it. I know already.
Sting, have you had this chocolate with that looks like orange? Are you packaging orange आता है? Literally the same. I'm not joking. Okay. Guys, if you like that chocolate, you like this. And I like that chocolate. So, win-win. Shraddha has fed me 5 to 6 coffees today. Shraddha has fed me like 5-6 coffees till today. In 4 to 5 hours. And I'm gonna come pit stop here anytime I need coffee.
Bro, I'm so dead now after all the coffee coma. I am just like, oh yeah, mera. Orange, followed by.
If I wanna be refreshed, I'm gonna go for raspberry, and this is like if I wanna have something chocolatey.
Yeah.
This is like really nice, but that tint of orange is so good.
It's really good, bro.
Literally like that chocolate, bro. You have to try this.
Also, the ratio is just 1:1. So it's so easy to make. Oh, lemon ka taste is so fucking good, bro. The lemon just genuinely tastes so good. Candy lemon I put inside.